Okay, I'm back. So this is my natural hair. It's not permed. I've never permed my hair. This is just it. I've cut my hair 1,000 times. It's dirty. That's really what it is. It's so fucking dirty, you don't even want to know. Okay, so try natural. Okay, so I spray my hair with water because that's what works for me. But if you are permed or natural, then I would just have your hair straight. I feel like I just need a little bit of water because my hair is dry in the back. So I'm just gonna spray. Oh god, it's wet. So I'm just gonna spray my hair in the back and I'm gonna brush it up because this is how high I want the pony. I want it like in the middle of my head. I want it like this. So now that it's wet, it's not like as, so you go like that. Oh, it's dripping. And you just, now I don't want it like too wet where it starts curling up, but just wet enough where my hair is weird, so it will straighten. My hair does its own thing, okay? So my hair is really thin, so if I straighten it, like I don't really wear my hair out straight. Oh, I have. If you see my Instagram, I wear my hair out straight the other day. Spray the front. Make sure the front is all wet. Wow, don't let it drip on you. So on all this work that I just did on my face. Okay. Clean it up. You're gonna tie your hair after. Oh, I look crazy. And my hair's dirty. Okay, so I'm gonna take my Gorilla Snot, and this is the 10 hole. They have other holds. I like the 10 hole sleek bun. You want a sleek bun? 10 holds, okay? So I take like a good amount, like this much. That's the way you're trying to go. Okay, so this only way is what? Up. Take some. You apply it just like this because the more you want it to lay down this way. So if you apply it like this, then it will lay down like that. You see? I do my baby hairs last. I get it the way I want it, and then I take my baby's hairs out. A lot of people take their baby hair out first and then they do it, but get my moño. Oh, I wanted to talk to you guys quickly about something. Sorry, I'm looking for my other scrunchie. Found it. I really, like, at first I wasn't sure if I was gonna do YouTube because, you know, my first channel got deleted and then the other one didn't grow as fast as my first one, and you know, people get discouraged because I really want to do YouTube full-time, but it's hard to do it full-time when you gotta get a job, you know, and you gotta support yourself. So that's the problem that I'm having. I'm trying to make sure, but I really want to do YouTube because there's not a lot of people, there's not a lot of women with my skin tone who are actually African American or black or whatever you want to call it. I don't really know what the term is. I'm not African, so I'm, I guess, African American, and you know, there's a lot of dark skinned women who are on here, but they're also Spanish. We don't really speak for the black culture. I want to be on here and I want to speak to the black culture. I want to speak to the youth, like my youth, women who are black, and like, yeah, like I'm just here to just show y'all that like there are women of our color who can do this. Okay, so you just get it the way you want it, as flat as you want it. I'm pushing it all the way to the front of my head. Okay, I think we got it. I was thinking about doing a like what's it called, like get high challenge. Get high, do your makeup in I guess like 5 minutes or whatever. Let me know if you guys would like to see that, because that would be jokes, because I could barely do anything when I'm high. So imagine like quickly trying to do my makeup. That would be hilarious. Okay. You get it the way you want it. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Okay. So now I either use this one or I use this one. I'm gonna take it and flat it up like that. You know? We're gonna take it. Like that. Yeah. I like to pull some of the hair out. I just dip my hand in, or I just like go to the top because I know that there's some product there. You just take a little on your hand, you put it in the spot so it can hold like that, and then you just brush it in. It's Aliya the creator. Taking my makeup off on the side, but it's okay, just like that. And then sometimes if I'm in the mood, it's Aliya the creator. It's Aliya the creator. Piece of Marley hair. I've had this for a while. I just start off with one end. It's like this. It's long. I start off with one end and I just tie it around. It's Aliya the creator. Okay, so I start off with one end, I just tie it around. And then while I'm tying it, I make sure that the round part, like, so this is my hair right here. I make sure that this part is really tight, and then I just loosely go around my bun, because that's the shape that I want. It's Aliya the creator. Like this. I just make sure my bun is like flat. And then I go like this. And then sometimes I'll twist it so it can stay still. And then lower, if you want it higher, you know. And then this is my top bun. Isn't this cute? And then I put some bobby. Okay, so I just tie this around my head normally while I'm doing my makeup, because I normally do my hair first and then I do my makeup. I normally tie this around my head. I normally go back in and fill in my eyebrows. So I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows, just make them a little darker because they've gotten light from me applying the other makeup on. So I'm going to just fill them in a little. It's Aliya the creator. I hope you guys like this video if you stayed to the end, because it's not long, but it's kind of long. I think this is a great video for my first one. Let's see what it's looking like. Yes. So this was a great video for my first one. I loved it. I had a great time filming it. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. But keep up with me on Instagram, because I'm really on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe to this channel. I will be posting more often. Please comment below if you like this tutorial.
You know I got you the car. So baby, could you slow down or go low? Drop it for me, baby, slow down and go low. If you want, you can go down or go home.